Hello everyone, welcome to Ansari Brother Technology channel. This is tutorial 3 in our programming with Python series. In this video, we are demonstrating the downloading and installation of Python in Windows. For our programming with Python course, we have selected Python 3 and above version. So let's begin. To download Python, open web browser, search Python download. From the official website of python.org, open the download Python link. You can directly download the Python 3.12.0 by clicking this button. If you are having different operating system like Linux, Mac OS, you can click the respective links. We'll go to download and Windows. We can see there is a note with 3.12.0 that it cannot be used with Windows 7 or earlier version. So for Windows 7 and earlier version, you can use Python 3.4, 3.5, etc. Depending upon your Windows 64-bit operating system or 32-bit operating system, you can click and download the installer of Python from here. Mine is 64-bit, so I am downloading Windows Python for Windows 64-bit. Once the download is completed, you can go to download folder and start the installation. For installation of Python, you have to add the Python ext2 path and then click on install now. Once the setup is completed, now you can click on close and start using Python. Now to open Python, you need to go to all programs, either type Python over here or search Python. So you will find Python IDLE. What is the full form of IDLE? It is Integrated Development Learning Environment. So I'll just go back and I'll show you from here. Open, click on Windows button, search for Python over here. You can see it is installed, newly installed, and then you can open IDLE. Even you can use Python in command prompt, but we will use IDLE prompt. As you can see, the Python shell is on the screen. You can perform several operations and Python will start giving answer you directly on the prompt. So you can see 5 plus 7, the answer is 12. Now even 8 into 9, it will give you 72. Like so it will give you star multiplied by 50, it will give you 50 star on the screen in one line. You can also look at the value of a is equal to 5, and then if you type a and press enter, you will get a 5 as a value of a. You can have a variable hello, and then if you say print hello, it will give you the value of hello as Mudassar. This is how we have downloaded and installed Python in Windows operating system. We have performed several operations on Python prompt, that is shell. IDLE, the full form of IDLE is Integrated Development Learning Environment. So we will be using Python in further learning. Do let us know your views in comments. Thanks for watching with us. Do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.